Eh, my name is Jairo Spina. Questions: why do you want to work in this company? To be honest, what really caught my attention was your criteria in the growth of the different areas of production and logistics. Um, I was impressed your aspiration to execute activities to achieve the goals and provide a better future for the company and its employees. I that you encourage employees to play sport outside of work hours, subsidizing the gym in that it's sometimes really physical and mental health of the employees. I was really impressed with the commitment they have in the fulfillment of the delivery of the ground cargo. I was very pleased to note that it supports the automotive maintenance area, so that approach and technicians feel comfortable. Why the word? I like your help so that the employees educated in need system I can develop more skills, and then that is the greatest satisfaction of the collaborators. Thank you.